So today we are going to talk about Pinterest. I told you already how important it is to be on Pinterest and to use it for your Etsy sales, because on Pinterest you cannot add only affiliate links, which is pretty cool, but you can also add all your products you have on Etsy and sell from there. So you can create basically hundreds of different images from your products, show them in use, and post them to Pinterest and have people coming in and clicking on your Etsy products. And if you can archive that, they will go to your Etsy store and hopefully they will purchase there. So how can we improve that? Well, a profile should look pretty good to archive that. So what can you do? There are a few things actually you can do. First of all, you should add your headshot you are also using on Etsy, and because then people know, oh, I have seen her or him, and I realize it's the same person, so it's good to use the headshot. Beside that, you now have the chance to put images on top in your header when you point them to a special board. You can create a board with all your products and then link it to your header there, which is pretty cool. As I said, they come to your Pinterest profile and they see all these beautiful images from your products, which is perfect, right? So what else can you do? And that is the point for this video. You can put some board images. Means you can upload something, a picture like a pin for your board, put the name of your board on it, and then when you've uploaded it just as a normal pin, you can link it to your website if you want to, put the name of the board on it, and then you have a complete overview with a beautiful looking Pinterest profile, because all your board images look the same, at least the first one. The cover image looks all over your Pinterest profile the same, which is pretty cool, because then you come to the Pinterest board and you see at a glance, oh, that person is pretty serious about her Pinterest profile, because there is everywhere the same image looking at the person, and the person knows where to go, where to search for specific pins, and where to dive deeper into what is interesting for them, and then most probably follow you. And that's why you should invest an hour or maybe two, depending on the amount of boards you have, and then add these beautiful cover images there. And if you do that, you will profit from that, I promise.